Now, I think it costs like $300,000 for the kit. That is a lot of moolies to be spending on a carbon fiber kit for the P1.
Sounds like right.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here of 5-Star Cars. If you're new to the channel, thanks very much for taking a few minutes out of your day to check us out, where I give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community. What has been going on in the supercar community? Well, we're going to be covering DDE today, we're going to be covering SMHEE150, Savage Garage and a few others. But before we jump into it, again guys, if you are new, please consider smashing the subscribe button if you're into this kind of stuff. If you watch Life Podcast, sure, why not watch me? I just do it a bit different. I will be doing some vlogs, and the main goal of this channel is to get a project car. I would love to get an R8, but I can't do it without you guys. So we'll see what happens. There is no supercars where I live, unfortunately, so this is what I do. And for my subscribers and my regulars that do watch me, I have ordered a new Lamborghini LED sign. It is on its way. I won't tell you what colour it is. It is the same one but a different colour. I'm going to let you guess in the comments below if you want. Guess what colour I'm after getting. Also guys, if we get bigger, I will do giveaways, but at the moment I'm not in the position to be doing giveaways. But as we get bigger, I will definitely do giveaways. Also, one thing I want to do as well is I definitely want to do kind of like a Joe Rogan talk show thing. So if anybody's interested in coming on and chatting about what's going on in the supercar community, about your favourite car YouTubers for half an hour on a Sunday, I would love to just do that. Do a Zoom call or something like that. My Instagram will come up here. Hit me up on Instagram and let me know. Because it's something I really do want to do that I don't see anybody else doing it. Nobody else actually sitting down talking to other people about some of your favourite car YouTubers and just saying round up what happened during the week and stuff like that. I think it'd be a pretty cool idea to do. So if you're interested in coming on and just chatting for half an hour on the channel, just hit me up, let me know, and give me your details, and we'll sort something out. Also, I will start trying to bring up your comments in the videos as well. So guys, this is what we're here to do: discuss what's going on in the supercar community. So start commenting below, and I'll bring up your comments as well. I'll try and remember. I keep forgetting these things, but I will try and remember to do that also. So enough of my blabbing on. Let's get into today's video about who we're going to be kicking off with is DDE. Of course, we're going to be kicking off with them. Their latest video is they've been going on about getting a carbon fiber body kit for the P1. Now, you can't just get that anywhere. You need to go to McLaren directly, and their MSO division will go and sort out getting you whatever you want to do to the car. Now, I think it costs like $300,000 for the kit. That is a lot of moolies to be spending on a carbon fiber kit for the P1. I mean, look, if they can afford it, why not? Somebody did comment below about changing the car to a P1 GTR. I hope they don't. In my own personal opinion, I would rather them, if they go down the carbon fiber route, great, because Manny Cashman has a carbon fiber P1, but I don't like the spoiler on the GTR P1. I don't like fixed spoilers. I love the spoiler on this P1, the electric one. It's one of my favourite spoilers in the world. In my opinion, I think it looks unbelievable. I would hate for them to do a chassis mounted spoiler. Don't like it. But the carbon fiber panels, getting that done would be pretty cool. Doing changing wheels, I don't know if they'll be able to get away with changing wheels on that car, because if you're doing some really high speeds, you're going to need wheels that are able to, they're designed to be able to do those speeds. But it'd be interesting, to see if they go down that route. If they do get the carbon fiber parts for it, $300,000, and I think they have to send the car away as well to get it done, which is going to cost you another $8,000 to $10,000. Look, we'll see what happens. I want to know from you guys what you think of the plans for the P1. Should they go down the GTR route? Should they go down the carbon fiber route? What would you like them to see to do to the P1? It'd be interesting to hear your thoughts. Next on the list is SMHEE150. He has done an unbelievably epic video of him in Switzerland at a Hypercar event, and like the best of the best were there, like hands down, easily like some of the best hypercars in the world showed up. Koenigsegg was there, Lamborghini, Ferrari, you know, the Jesko was there, 1-to-1, like, what else was Aventadors there, you know, the F40, the F50, La Ferrari was there. I mean, just an unbelievable video. You gotta go check it out. Links in the description below for all my videos, guys. But I'm just going to show you a quick clip of basically, I'll show you the clip of just the Koenigsegg's passing him as they came out, because when I saw this, as you get to know me, my favourite car all time, Koenigsegg Regera, my #1 car, second Pagani Huayra. But here's the Koenigsegg's rolling out. It's just a quick clip of it. It's so sick.
The parade starts in style. The Koenigsegg Agera, the 1-to-1, 1 of 6, CCXR Trevita, the 1-of-1 Koenigsegg, another Agera R. Just look at this, endless streams of epicness. Koenigsegg Regera following beyond that. What a lineup of Swedish hypercars.
There you go, guys. Check out his video. I was just enthralled just watching it, just the spec of cars that were there. If I was ever going to go on a road trip with somebody on a car road trip, and you had to pick anybody in the supercar community to have as your passenger, SMHEE150 would be it. I would love to pick his brain and learn so much off him about the knowledge he has of spec of cars. Just the encyclopedia he knows every supercar and hypercar that goes around. Just an unbelievable video of the specs that were there. I mean, just in that clip alone, those Koenigseggs driving by, I get how much you think, comment below how much you think of those cars that work going by. What, 35-40 million? There's my guess of how much just those Koenigseggs roll by. Crazy, like, just what an unbelievable event to go to. I hope someday I can get to go to events like that. My jaw would just be on the floor constantly, or to be walking around on a horn. It'd be one or the other. So yeah, amazing video with me. Check it out and let me know actually which car out of that video, which car would you, if you have any of the cars in that video, which one would you take? Of course, for me, it was going to be the Regera. The Picanis would be pretty close behind the Huayras and the Zandas and the I wouldn't be able to pick. my brain would probably melt. But let me know which one would you have out of all those cars below in the comments. Next on our list is Seen Through Glass. So Seen Through Glass, he was at an event and he is covered. Basically, he got to check out the new Aston Martin Victor. Yes, so what do I think of this car? Well, I didn't see many specs about it. I was kind of looking at it, and I'm just going to give my thoughts and opinions on what I thought of it. It's basically a 7.3 litre, 836 horsepower beast of a car. It's worth £2 million, so around $2.7 million. They've gone back to like the old. They're kind of doing. They made this car because what he was saying was they were kind of covering the old 80s cars. I think it was just kind of like a retro thing to them. It's a beast of a thing. I do like it and I don't like it. I like the shape of it. For me, like, the exposed carbon fiber is cool, but it's dry carbon. I hate dry carbon fiber. I know, don't kill me. I hate it. It just looks like dry plastic from afar. I know you won't see it until you're up close, but I don't like dry. For me, it has to be glass carbon fiber. I hate the wheels in it. The wheels are absolutely disgusting. Do not like them one bit whatsoever. The shape of the car, I like it and I don't like it because of the way the carbon fiber front comes down. The headlights are pretty cool. I don't know, it's a love-hate car. I mean, would I buy one if I had the money? No, I wouldn't. The inside of it's pretty cool, actually, the green with carbon fiber. It is a 6-speed manual as well, so that's pretty sweet, and it's rear-wheel drive, which is a plus bonus for that car. Yeah, I don't know about it. I mean, I wouldn't buy one. Let me know in the comments below, would you buy one of these cars and what you think of it. Check out his video, see what you think. But for me, no, not really too pushing it at all. Next on our list is Royalty Exotics. Huston has gone away speccing his Lamborghini Urus, which is pretty cool. Seeing the whole process where he goes through when he specs a Urus. And the way he spec'd it, pretty much he spec'd it the way I would have spec'd it. Actually, by the end of it, I was like, yeah, I would have spec'd it that way. White and black interior, and I think purple on the outside with gloss black and gloss black wheels. Came out pretty sweet. Definitely the way I would have spec'd it. Hands down for me, if I'm ever going to get a project car, if I'm ever end up, God forbid, like end up getting to spec a car, I will always do the inside, retrim it white and black. The reason why is because white and black goes everything, and for me, because I love modifying cars and would want to change the colour quite a lot, what you could do is white with black leather interior, and then the plastic pieces, you could just wrap them in whatever colour the outside is. So if it's purple or green or whatever, at least those you can peel off and change. But we see, if you go in leather and redo it in a green leather, you have to keep redoing the leather in those colours that you change the wrap with. So for me, white and black will always be the trim I was going on the inside, and then the plastic bits, whatever colour you wrap the car. That's just me. So the spec was pretty cool. Pretty cool to see the way he spec'd the car. Came out pretty nice, and be interesting to see when it's finished and it's delivered. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what way would you spec a car if you're going to spec a Lamborghini Urus like that. Last but least on the list is Savage Garage. Poor Jimbo has gotten some bad news. He blew his motor on his Lamborghini Murcielago, and then the second motor he got to replace it has a I think the side wall or something on the, I can't remember exactly, it's broke as well. It looks like a hit, and he needs help from people trying to figure out what to do. Somebody that can put the two engines made together and get it up and running. You know, and he needs it for the Gold Rush Rally, I think it is, that's going to be coming up in the next few weeks. So he's not having a very good time with this car. He really does like the car. I think, personally, in my opinion, he should just sell it and go away and get an Aventador and be done with the car, and just whatever. It's going to break his heart. And just go in and get an Aventador. That's my own opinion, but I'd like to know in the comments below what you would do in Jimbo's position, what you think you should do. Be interesting to hear your thoughts and opinions. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much if you watched to the end. I hope you have subscribed to the channel or hit the like button. Help me out any what way. I do. Look, I am going to try and post every day as well, and give you some. Look, I can only do what I can do because of where I am. So again, thank you for watching to the end. I will have a video out tomorrow on our next episode. So stay safe, peace out, and bye.